all people, welcome to our channel. So today we'll be doing a video a bit different from the previous one. We'll be doing a video on skincare and makeup tips whenever we travel like somewhere outside, or you can say some makeup tips for summer kind of a video. So we'll be talking about two different kind of things, makeup and skin routine. So we'll be dividing the video on two halves. Firstly, what I prefer for my skin routine when I travel is I prefer to moisturize my skin. I keep on moisturizing my skin as much as you can, so you should also. And because we travel, there's a lot of dust and everything. So first what we should do is just cleanse your face thoroughly, and then apply as much as the lotion or whatever you whatever you prefer. I prefer is this Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss. If you can see, it is a gel based cream. So what I do is I just take a pinch of it, I just rub it and massage it on my face, and then I apply this Lakme Peach moisturizer. This is for all the skin types. So after applying that, I apply this, and I kept on massaging my skin to hydrate it. And then what I do is I just apply a sunscreen. This is a Lotus Safe Sun. This is 3-in-1 matte look daily sunblock. It is SPF 40, and this is also for all the skin types. So what I do is, we go outside, we got sunburns and everything, so it's better to apply a sunscreen before you step out. And then if it's about hydrating your skin, I prefer these lip balms. These are very thick based lip balms, so it stays on your lips. I talk about myself, I eat my lips a lot. It's weird, but it's fine. So I use these. It stays on your lips for a longer time. And if you are if I want to tint in your face or lips, so you can use these Baby Lips product. They have a very wide range of colors and everything, so you can use this. This gives you a very tinty color, like very light, but it stays. So after everything, I just apply a moisturizer on your skin and everything. You can use a dry shampoo for your hair, and that's all for your skin routine. My main motive is to hydrate my skin and keep on it should be a lighter weight. If I talk about my skincare, I use this White Musk body powder as well. Prefer powders on summer. So moving towards my makeup tips. वैसे I'm not a big fan of makeup. I don't prefer makeup when I travel or I am somewhere outside for a longer time. So what I do is I just moisturize my skin. I just apply a sunscreen, or what you can do is, if you are a fan of foundation, if you want some foundation on your face, so you should apply a BB cream or a CC cream just for a foundation type of a look. So if it's about me, I would prefer BB cream rather than a foundation. I use sunscreen. If we talk about this Lotus wala sunscreen, so it gives you a foundation look, it gives you a very matte look. So I don't prefer ki uske baad anything I should apply. Then I take this compact. It is a Chanel compact. You should keep a compact, whatever is your skin type, whatever compact you use, just keep a compact handy, just so in case your face gets wet or something like sweaty kind of thing, you can just dab it on. After all that, if we talk about the liners and everything, I prefer this plum wala kajal, because it's a kind of a kajal which it's very dark, very thick. So I prefer this because I am a kind of person whose I am like, my eyes are very watery, so for me this goes well, very well. I do prefer liners which are liquid based liners or pen liners for my wings and everything, but yeah, for daily basis this is the perfect match for me. If we talk about the lipsticks, this is the perfect thing for me, because I think every girl should have this in their bags. This is Maybelline products, and this is like, these are very cost effective. It must be around 300, I think. So for this is something mesmerizing magenta, and this is the Wine Divine, so it is not for the trip purpose, but they are very, if I show you this is my all day favorite. This is Touch of Spice. This is my all day favorite. I can go on with this on like my office, and when I'm traveling around or somewhere on a daily basis, this is perfect. And I think this will be my third stick or something like that. I just love this. This is very creamy, and this is very light. You won't be feeling anything on your lips, so I just love it. Talking about the lips, hair, eyeliner, this is all I do when I'm outside. If I talk about, I'm not the kind of a person who will do mascara. Mascara is not my thing. If you can handle mascara on a trip or on a daily basis, so yeah, you can go on with mascaras and liners. I don't apply liners as well. I use this Plum, it is a Plum Kajal, although I use it as a liner because I'm not a Kajal fan. So this is all I do on a trip or whenever I travel. And yeah, this is a must. You should carry a makeup remover with you, because whenever you come back, you should remove whatever is on your face. So this was all I do on a trip or whenever I go outside, or on summers as well. So if you like this video, or you want to say something, or if you want to ask something, you can comment it down in the comment section. So yeah, we'll be meeting soon with another videos, and yeah, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, do give a thumbs up.